This is the final video to fix Windows Update error, where your device is missing important security and quality fixes. And if you see this message again and again, this video is for you. Are you tired of Windows telling you that updates failed even though your internet works fine and your PC looks normal? This problem usually happens because Windows Update files get stuck, some services stop running, or your system settings break after a bad update. When this happens, Windows cannot talk properly with Microsoft servers, so it keeps showing the same warning. Many videos on YouTube and posts on social media make this fix look scary because they use hard words, long commands, and risky steps that confuse most people. On Rexish, we keep things simple, and today I will share a secret easy trick that fixes this error without stress and without deep technical knowledge. This trick resets the update connection in a safe way and wakes up the services that Windows needs to download updates again. You do not need extra software, and you do not need to reset your PC. This method works for most Windows 10 and Windows 11 users who see this exact error message. After using this trick, Windows can finally check for updates, download security fixes, and keep your device safe. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that shows exactly what to click and what to avoid, comment below and say Update Fix. Rexish reads your comments and makes videos based on what you ask. So drop your comment now and make sure this problem never comes back again.